To use Google Pay on your iPhone, start by downloading the Google Pay app from the App Store. Once the download is complete, open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. After signing in, you will be asked to add a payment method. You can add a credit or debit card, or a loyalty program. To add a card, tap the plus sign and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You can also add a card by taking a photo of it. Once you have added a payment method, you can start using Google Pay. To make a payment, open the app and select the card you want to use. You will then be prompted to authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. You can also use Google Pay to send and receive money. To do this, tap the Send or Request Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also split bills with friends and family using the app. To use Google Pay in stores, look for the Google Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol. When you are ready to make a payment, open the app, select the card you want to use, and hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. You will receive a notification when the payment is complete. It is also important to note that Google Pay is a secure way to make payments. Your card information is not stored on your iPhone and is encrypted when you make a payment. Additionally, you can use the app to track your transactions and receive notifications when a payment is made. In addition to making payments, Google Pay also offers rewards and cashback opportunities. You can earn rewards by using certain cards or by making purchases at certain stores. You can also use the app to store your loyalty cards and rewards programs. Overall, using Google Pay on your iPhone is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps, you can start using the app and take advantage of its many features and benefits.